How to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Instagram confirmation code not sending, or if you're unable to receive the confirmation code on your phone in order to log in to your Instagram. Now there are a couple of things that you might have to work on in order to solve this issue. The first and foremost thing is to check your internet connection. You want to make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Now if you are connected to the internet connection and it's still not sending code, then what you want to do is you want to try switching in between your networks. Now for instance, if you scroll down the notification bar here, you can see I'm connected to Wi-Fi, right? You want to try and switch to other Wi-Fi networks if you have, or you want to try and enable your mobile data and try using your other internet connection in order to get the code. Now if this doesn't help, then the other way is to try and update your Instagram application. You want to head into your Play Store or App Store on your device, and you want to search in for Instagram, and there you want to make sure it's updated to the latest version. In order to update, you want to simply tap on the update option that will be shown on your screen instead of the open option that you can see on the screen. Now if this doesn't help, then it might just be the server issue that you are getting. It might be that the server are down for Instagram, right? So you want to wait in that case for a couple of minutes or a couple of hours, and then try logging in back again and try getting the code again. So this will fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.